Hello, I'm Saloni. I'm the marketing manager at Global Solution and Compliance Private Limited. So today we will talk about SIMS. What is SIMS? Steel Import Monitoring System SIMS is a licensing program effective since 1st November 2019, applicable for steel importers, launched as a platform by the Ministry of Commerce and Industry, Government of India, as a part of notification number 17 by 2015-2020 dated 5th September 2019. The government introduced Steel Import Monitoring System SIMS by amending the import policy of iron and steel in ITC HS chapter number 72, 73 and 86 from free to free subject to compulsory registration under SIMS. The main purpose of SIMS is accountability of the quantitative information about steel imports entering into the country. This information will be then utilized by the government for policy formulation and implementation regarding steel imports. This data on the steel licenses is then compiled, checked and published on the Ministry of Steel website once in 7 days for the public to analyze. The purpose of SIMS is to provide statistical data on steel imported in India before the imports arrive. The data submitted through SIMS once every week is checked and published on the Ministry of Steel website for the public to analyze. Any business importing steel products that are specified under the SIMS program should register under SIMS. Importers, agents and brokers may apply for the SIMS registration. The documents required for SIMS registration are: first, valid importer-exporter code IEC, second, active DGFT login, third, port of import details, fourth, products HS code, fifth, quantity and CIF value in INR or USD, sixth, tentative date of consignment arrival. Key points to remember: first, apply for SIMS at least 8 days before shipment arrival. Second, one license for one consignment only. Third, SIMS certificate is valid for 75 days. Fourth, incorrect HS code may result in clearance delays. For more queries, please reach out us on the given number and email ID displayed on your screens. Thank you.